So next, the 4 marks important question in a chapter of motion in a plane. If mod of a plus b is equal to mod of a minus b, prove that the angle between a and b is 90 degrees. So mod of a plus b is equal to mod of a minus b. So mod of a plus b is equal to under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and mod of a minus b is equal to under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So we can write the equation and squaring on both sides. Then we can squaring on both sides, the square and root will be cancelled on both sides. So the remaining terms of a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So a square term will be cancelled, b square term will be cancelled. So remaining terms of 2ab cos theta is equal to minus 2ab cos theta. So we can write the equation 2ab cos theta plus 2ab cos theta is equal to 0. So 4ab cos theta is equal to 0. Then cos theta will be 0. When the cos will be 0, theta is equal to 90 degrees, means cos 90 will be 0. Therefore theta is equal to 90 degrees. So the angle between A and B is 90 degrees. The important 4 marks question. The problem is a force 2i plus j minus k Newton acts on your body which is initially at rest. At the end of the 20 seconds, the velocity of the body is 4i plus 2j minus 2k meter per second. So what is the mass of the body? So we can take the as per given data. Force F is equal to 2i plus j minus k Newton, and time t is equal to 20 seconds. Initial velocity u will be 0. Why? Because of u will be 0. So a body which is initially at rest, so initial velocity will be 0. And next one, final velocity v is equal to 4i plus 2j minus 2k meter per second. So mass m is equal to how much? So we can take the first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. So v minus u is equal to at. A is equal to v minus u by t. So acceleration A is equal to v will be 4i plus 2j minus 2k minus u, initial velocity will be 0, and time is equal to 20. So we can take the common 2. So 2 by 20, 2 1s are 2 10s are. So acceleration A is equal to 2i plus j minus k by 10. So next one, we can find the mass by using the Newton's second law principle. F is equal to ma. So m is equal to f by a. So m is equal to, the f value will be 2i plus j minus k by a, means 2i plus j minus k by 10. So we can write m is equal to 2i plus j minus k into 10 by 2i plus j minus k. So the two vectors will be cancelled, 2i plus j minus k by 2i plus j minus k. So the remaining term digit is 10. So mass of the body m is equal to 10 kg. The important 4 marks question in third chapter, motion in a straight line, in our first year physics. So the question is, show that the maximum height reached by a projectile launched at an angle of 45 degrees is 1/4 of its range. So the projectile angle theta is equal to 45 degrees. Then maximum height h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g, and also we can write the horizontal range. So the horizontal range, it will be represented by capital R. So R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. First one, we can substitute the projectile angle theta is equal to 45 in both equations. So first we can take the range equation. R is equal to u square sin 2 theta. Instead of theta, we can take the 45 degrees. So 2 into 45 by g. And next one, R is equal to u square sin 2 into 45, it will be equal to 90 degrees, and u square sin 90 by g. And next one, R is equal to u square into 1 by g, because of sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore range R is equal to u square by g. This is the equation number 1. And the next one, we can write the maximum height equation. The equation, it will be represented by h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Instead of theta, we can substitute 45 degrees. So h is equal to u square sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So sin square, we can write 1 by root 2 whole square whole by g. And next one, h is equal to u square 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 2 whole by 2g. And h is equal to, we can write u square by 4g. So h is equal to 1 by 4 into u square by g. but u square by g, we can write the equation number 1, r is equal to u square by g. So h is equal to 1 by 4 into r. Therefore, h is equal to r by 4. So the equation will be represent the maximum height is equal to horizontal range by 4. The important 4 marks problem in 7th lesson, that is find the torque of a force 7I plus 3j minus 5k about the origin. The force acts on a particle whose position vector is I minus j plus k. So as per given data, we can take the physical quantity force. It will be represented by F is equal to 7I plus 3j minus 5k, and the position vector, it will be represented by r, small r, is equal to I minus j plus k. And find the torque. So we can determine the calculate the torque. It will be represented by tau is equal to how much. So torque is equal to equation r cross F, and tau is equal to, we can write the I j k, and next one r cross F. So we can take the position vector coefficients. So the coefficient of position vector 1 minus 1 1. So we can write 1 minus 1 1, and it will be cross product with force. So we can take the coefficient of force coefficient 7 plus 3, and next one minus 5. So we can write the coefficients are 7 3 minus 5. So we can calculate the this mod and determined. So I, we can take the 5 minus 3 and minus j. So we can write minus 5 minus 7 and plus k into 3 plus 7. So the equation is I into 2 12j plus 10k. So the final equation is 2I plus 12j plus 10k. So the torque tau is equal to 2I plus 12j plus 10k. So in this 4 marks question, the very important one, the formula tau is equal to r cross F, and the final equation answer is tau is equal to 2I plus 12j plus 10k.